Okay, thick is ready. Let's check them out. Kato SD40-2. It's one of the early models, and I think we got them going pretty good. And let's go check them. One of the things he couldn't do before was bridge 15. He's been doing pretty good with bridge 15. Not bad. Let's have him pick up some cars down there. Alright, here he comes. I'm going to pick up some cars. Okay, now, we got a problem down here at the spaghetti bowl, and one of the switches has got to be completely rebuilt. He might make it out, but he can't make it back in. Okay, he got out okay. Coming back in, one of the switches is just too beat up. Okay, then the other thing we're going to have to do with this guy is, I think he's one of three. He's one of three. And when we're done here, the other two, we're going to have to speed match them, because I believe they're going to go as a contest. But he's looking pretty good. Everything seems to be working normally. He's going the right way. His functions work, and looking pretty good. So I think we're going to call it. We're going to call this guy until it's time to do speed matching. And we'll do speed matching later.